Hi, I'm Rich Harvey, CEO of Property Buyer. Welcome to our brief spring market update. As this beautiful spring weather starts to warm up, what is going to happen in the property market as we continue to travel through this COVID period? Will we see more caution and negativity, or will things start to stabilise again with some fresh hope? The market has shown remarkable resilience since the onset of COVID. Buyer and vendor sentiment has been quite negative over this COVID period, but with the onset of the spring season, we're starting to see some positivity. Buyers have been concerned about the impact of the current recession, potential job losses, and worried that prices may start to fall further. Sellers, on the other hand, have been worried about what's going on in the market when watching negative news about the economy and the recession. However, the reality is that property prices have dropped less than 5% in both Sydney and Melbourne over the last quarter. This is despite the dire headlines predicting 20 and 30% falls. Auction clearance rates in Sydney were 71% last weekend, which indicates a very healthy market. And there's a lot of latent demand in the property market. That is, buyers are watching and waiting and ready to pull the trigger when the right property comes across their path. We've been transacting a lot of off-market properties in the last 6 months. In the prestige market, demand has never been stronger. Without being able to travel overseas, home buyers have looked to feather their own nests and create the best possible environment at home. And the limited supply of luxury properties is also driving prices north. The mid-range market has been performing quite consistently. There's a high demand from upsizers and upgraders wanting a better quality home with all the mod cons and room for that home office. The lack of stock over winter has been a major frustration for buyers trying to find the right one. The spring selling season traditionally brings buyers and sellers out of the woodwork in much larger numbers. Even in years where there's been election campaigns, recessions, major natural disasters or even financial crises, this spring selling season always sees a rise in volumes. No one has a perfect crystal ball to tell you exactly how the property market will emerge on the other side of COVID, but something that buyers should consider right now is how the current buying conditions compare to 2 years ago. We have some of the best buying conditions on record right now. Near zero interest rates, low competition, softer prices, and the ability to dictate terms. If you'd like to access my 5 key tips on how to make the most of the spring market, then please click on my website below to get access right now. Or give us a call to start a friendly conversation with my team of buyers agents to help you on your property journey. Thanks for watching.